Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Oobleck slime. It's very simple, it can be messy but it cleans up really quickly. First you need some corn flour, a jug with water in it. I have about 3/4 of a cup, a 1 cup measuring cup, a spoon, bowl for mixing, and some food colouring, any colour you choose, or you can just have it no colour at all. So first, we are going to get our 1 cup measuring cup and corn flour. I'm going to measure in 1 cup, like so. Don't have to be too precise. Tip that in. Okay. If we want colour, we can add some colour to the water. So what I'm going to do is put a few drops in there. There's probably more than a few, but that's okay. Stir it around a little bit. And we have nice yellow. Now I'm going to slowly add the water. It's going to go hard quickly in the flour. You don't want too much water. If you dump too much water in, it's going to be very runny and it won't work. So let's go. So I'm going to do a little bit at a time. And start stirring. It's going to get gluggy very quickly. And at some point you'll use your hands to mix it through. Now the magic with Oobleck is that it can be hard to touch, but then when you stand still, it goes running. So you mix. Best to do it just a little bit at a time, even though it looks quite hard, because all of a sudden it comes together. Okay, as you can see, we have a bit of a runny consistency. I'm going to stick my hand in. It kind of comes up hard, but then watch as it melts through my fingers. That's the texture that you want. That's the consistency. So it's hard and then it goes soft. And then as well, see, it just kind of goes a bit hard and falls off. And then look, doesn't really stick, and it washes off really easily with water. And then if I just do this, see, it's hard. But if I do this slowly, it's gooey. And there you have Oobleck slime. Easy. Okay, now this is my little assistant Lily, and she's going to show us how she plays with the Oobleck slime. Nothing's on there. Still nothing. Oh, but if you go slowly, it goes in. So in tomorrow's video, we'll show you how to make a Oobleck slime stress ball. Bye.